I have over 1,500 miles driving my yume y10 on the streets. And this is one of the first few times I've taken it off-road. I found a whole new love for this thing. It is smoother on the dirt roads than it is on the pavement. This thing is so much fun. I can't even get over it. I can't say enough good about it. But here is the rest of my video. It's me riding for a few more minutes. I'm not a great cameraman. I don't have a great camera mount. But this is me trying to show what the yume can do. My typical ride is to and from work. I drive from one end of Boston to the other daily. This is just me on a weekend though, down the street from my house. Just driving for fun. Didn't realize how much fun this was off-road. I do have a complaint off-road though, actually. The blinkers are a little bit flimsy on this anyway, but during this off-road trip, I seem to have broke the left blinker. It still works, it just, the casing on it bent. I'm gonna have to order a new one. Let's see how that goes. Make a video of installing them, I guess. This is just through a field. A little bumpy, but the road's smooth. My camera mount is literally a belt around my waist with a broken bicycle mount into the belt. Best I could do. I just wanted to try to show what this thing can actually do. I was amazed. It has a dual suspension front and back. It just was, it was great.